Hello everyone, this is Ozzy from Phoenix English. Today we'll be talking about how to use adjectives as nouns. First, let's take a look at this sentence. The English are famous for drinking tea.
Cup of tea?
So, the English is a noun or an adjective? Well, it's a noun. But how? We use the plus some adjectives to talk about groups of people. Number 1, nationalities that end in CH, SH, ESE, and double S. For example, the French, the Irish, the Chinese, the Japanese, the Swiss, the Dutch, the British, etc. Now let's take a look at these examples. The Chinese invented paper. The Chinese means Chinese people. The Dutch make wonderful cheese. The Dutch means Dutch people. Most other nationality words are nouns and used in the plural. For example, the Brazilians, the Iranians, the Turks, the Peruvians, the South Koreans, etc. Number 2, specific groups in society, like the young, the old or the elderly, the sick, which means people who are ill, the blind, the deaf, the homeless, the unemployed, etc. Let's take a look at the examples. The poor are getting poorer and the rich are getting richer. Here, the poor means poor people and the rich means rich people. Another example, the government needs to create more jobs for the unemployed. The unemployed means unemployed people. Please pay attention that the plus adjective functions as a plural noun in our sentences. So, in order to talk about one person, we don't use this formula. For example, we say a Japanese woman or a rich man, but we don't say a Japanese or a rich. That's incorrect. Alright everyone, I hope you have learned how to use adjectives as nouns in your sentences. As always, your support means a lot to us. See you!